their bow line on to let them try to catch up with you.
Better watch what you say. Better watch what you say there, boy.
Yeah, don't call him that.
I'm ready.
Like this, and it's, I mean, there's like no thread going. It's like you're just standing up, but it's like a chair.
Yeah.
All day long. Weren't they gonna put some transfusions on me? They aren't gonna put transfusions on Vipers? Why not? Oh.